friends, are you ready? It is the day. I can't believe I am filming this on Monday, the 30th, but I just cannot believe that the first month of the year is here. I can't, you have made this month for me one of the best I have ever had. We've had so much fun. We created this journal together. We created two journals for February's giveaway. We did a flip-flop journal. We figured it out. We just had so much fun. I hope that you have had as much fun as I have had, and I am just excited to give this little chunker a new home. I don't know that we need to go through it because you are my YouTube family. We did this together. You know what's in here. This little chunky monkey is ready to go. So I have put everybody's name in here. And this journal is going to Sherry Liberto. Oh my goodness, Sherry, this little chunker is yours, but guys, don't go away. Did you think that this was it? You know me, right? You know me. So Sherry is the winner of this little charm, but hold on. Just hold on. How about one of these? Would you like one of these? Remember these? How about, look at this, a guest check. This was all done with Artie Mays, and then this cute little journal here. How about this? How about if I give one of these away? What do you think? All right, this one. Let's go. This one, how about its new home is Linda Barnett. Linda, I don't know that I have your address. Please message me on Etsy or through Facebook and give me your address. Okay, well, you think this is it? No, this isn't it. No. No. How about this one? Same thing, little journal and a guest check and two photos from Artie Mays. Let's go. How about Joyce Coleman? This is yours. I know I have your address, Joyce. Off to you. Do you think that's it? Drum roll. How about this one? What do you think? You don't get cuter than this, guys. Come on, these are adorable. All right. How about, you know what? Laura Claiborne. All right, Laura. Yes, ma'am. Off to Canada she goes. And because I pulled two, we're just going to give another one away. Yes, we are. I pulled two. Roseanne. Roseanne, this is off to you. Roseanne's in Ohio. You think that's it? Huh? How about we do one more? One more. One more. Sweetheart. Look at that face. All right, guys, this will be it. Let's get in there. All right. Phyllis Maroney, this is yours. Yes, it is. Guys, I cannot thank you enough. I had the best time ever. And you know all these names in here? you know what I'm going to do? I am going to, what am I going to do? You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take every one of these names in here and I am going to do, yes, I am. I'm going to do one of these just as a thank you for participating, just as a thank you for all your love and your generosity and your spirit of heart. I am going to make one of these for everyone in here. Yes, I am. That's what I'm going to do. So everybody's getting a thank you. These I will get in the mail. I have been really, really bad with the index cards. I still have them. I promise I will bulk all this up and I will get it in the mail. You have made my month. You have made my birthday. And I really appreciate it. And I think I'm going to spend today working on this. Yes, I am. Thank you, everyone. January was fantastic, and on to February. Thanks and hugs. Bye, guys.